Water, the breakfast of champions. What's going on, guys? It's Josh, aka TOT. Tesla talk time. We had a rough week. We all did. I think we're all one right now. A lot of you guys are in the crypto stock market, and we lost about 30% of our portfolio this week. The good news is I've been telling you guys to buy real estate, and if you did, you still have some sort of nest, right? Some layaway nest, which I'm glad I have the fix and flip and a couple other properties as well, because at the end of the day, real estate isn't going to crash yet, right? I still have hope in the real estate market. So this video is going to be all about crypto, stocks, real estate, how they correspond, and what to expect next, in my professional opinion. With real estate, I think there's a little shock and awe right now with what happened in crypto and stocks and your 401k. I was having a conversation with my friend. He basically lost 40% of his 401k. He lost 30% in his crypto, and then he has like a little small Robinhood account. He lost X amount of dollars. Now he's getting married next year. And about 3 weeks ago, his optimistic mindset was, yeah, I'm getting married. I'm so excited. We're having this big wedding. And then today it was completely opposite. He was like, bro, I don't know what I'm going to do. I just lost X amount of dollars. This. And luckily he bought a house last year. And I was like, dude, take some equity out of your house if you really have to. Because he put all his eggs into the crypto stock market basket. He bought a house, luckily, but all his liquid assets were there, and he lost a lot. And that was his wedding money. And so for him, he's going to look at the possibility of tapping into his equity. Now, what does that mean? That means, hey, you take out a loan against your house with whatever equity's in there, and you use it as cash, basically. So if you have that nest egg in real estate, you're safe for now. Um, Lesson learned: don't put all your eggs in the crypto basket. Don't put all your eggs in the stock market basket. Right? You got to just kind of put things in different baskets and just level up. Right? Just make sure you have what you need in those baskets to succeed and to have growth in the future. It's long term, right? But what I see in the real estate market is kind of the same thing my friend went through with the wedding dilemma. Um, they had money for a down payment, right? They had money for a house and this and that. They've been shopping for the last 6 months, and then this happens. Now, what do you think that does to people's mindset when it comes to buying a house? They're going to be like, well, damn, that there goes my down payment, right? I was going to borrow against my 401k, but now I can't borrow as much. Or I put all my eggs in the crypto basket and now it's down 30%. My wife is going to kill me type thing. So with real estate, I have this sense that it's going to slow down just a little bit from a buyer standpoint. Inventory will then climb to levels that we were used to maybe 3 or 4 years ago, which were still low. Home prices will still slowly climb, but it won't be the 10, 20, 30% increases we saw over the last 2 years. So if you're still looking to buy, you can go buy within your means. But rewind a little bit, we forgot about interest rates. So interest rates went up the last 3 weeks. And so if you're looking to buy a house 3 weeks ago, it was $100 cheaper a month than it is now 3 weeks later. So add those two factors together, you're paying more per month on your mortgage because your interest rate's higher, and you lost a lot of your assets, your cash that you were going to put down, or your reserves. So it's a double whammy for buyers. And from my standpoint, that's why I want to get this flip done quickly. And that's why my deadline was a certain deadline. And I have furniture coming in on Monday and Tuesday, and I have pictures on Wednesday because I need to get this thing listed before there's too much negative connotation, or I don't even know what that word means. I don't even know how to spell it, but figure it out later. Negative mindsets in the world will start affecting real estate like incrementally, not a lot, but it's going to be a big difference. It's going to be the difference between $1 and $2, basically 100% increase in some instances. And you could be leaving money on the table if you don't sell in the next 90 days, right? From a buyer standpoint, wait it out maybe. I mean, still buy, but wait it out. Understand where the market's headed, where it's going. These interest rates are staying. They're not going anywhere. I don't see markets crashing in like 2008. All I see is steadiness. I think they're trying to control the narrative of, hey, the market's not really crashing, it's correcting, and it's coming to a level where it needs to be. And same with real estate. So at the end of the day, still buy real estate, make it an investment property. Don't go out there and jump into the primary resident world if you don't have to. If you have low rent, I talked to a client the other day who has $1,400 in rent in San Diego, and they want to buy a house. Their payment will be $3,500. Why would they do that? There's no point in that, and they have to put 5 to 10% down. So go buy an investment property with 5% down, and then pay your $1,400 rent until you're ready to upgrade. But at the end of the day, Tesla Talk is all about market updates, and here we are. We lost a lot of money this week. I can't divulge how much I lost, but it's six figures. It's a low level CEO of a startup company's salary for the year that I lost in the last 3 weeks. I think a lot this week as well. At the end of the day, we still are alive and healthy for the most part. We might die here, but we're still alive. But that's it. Email us, call us. We have Wednesday courses. We have a lot of things going on. So let me know if you have any questions, concerns. Peace.